That was me.
Guys, you do not have to draw. You do not have to draw that much attention to yourself. We're recording.
Nico.
You self-repeat.
Stop, Nico. All right, we're going to, guys, second day of compound inequalities. Did we get through the first whole page?
Yeah, we did.
Okay. Let me ask you this question. So for like number 2, I think I forgot to show you guys. Let me see how I did it with interval notation. Oh no, we did do the union thing. Good. I forgot to show the other class about. Did we put the U in between it?
Yeah.
What's that U stand for? Union. Okay. You gotta have, and that only comes into play for what types of problems?
Ors.
Ors. How do ors go?
Outside.
Use your thumbs. Ors, ands. Okay. All right. So you say we got the whole first page done, right? All right. Now the second page. I don't think we did 3 or 4.
Yeah, we did. No, we did.
No, we didn't. Okay.
We did 5.
We did 5 though. Everybody try to get 3 and or 4 done. Okay. But first, Mr. Sodaro, number 3. Is it an and or an or?
Or.
Or. How do you know? Because it says or in the middle.
Which way
Okay.
do you want?
Some kids don't even know if it's an and or an or. How is this one going to get graphed? Probably, guys. Put your thumbs out. This is probably going to go like this.
What about the special cases?
Okay. We're going to do the special cases tomorrow where we might have an or that goes like this. Okay. Or, worst case scenario, what if we have an or that goes like this?
No, it's not possible.
What about
Be no solution.
No. Yes, you can try that.
more like I quit?
That would be, what if we had an and that went like this?
Not possible.
This would be a no solution.
What if it went like this? Other than the inside.
It's a number line, dude.
Hey, what about this?
Would it be all real numbers?
What about this?
An or that goes like this would be all real numbers.
What about
It's
this?
this or that.
Put your hands in the air.
What if
All right,
it went
solve
like
it. Let's
this?
go.
What if it went like this?
That is
Don't be
very
strange. Ooh, the first part here, guys. Flippy or no flippy?
Flippy.
We gotta flip that inequality sign.
Oh yeah, flipper.
Less than or equal to
Flip 'em up.
-3.
Flipper right up the middle.
Oh, baseball.
Second one.
Is that baseball? I can solve it right there. That's a baseball.
No flippy.
No flip. Cuban, read the answer from left to right. The first one.
Never mind.
Absolutely
X
not.
is less than or equal to 3 or...
Careful with your negative signs, bud.
-3.
Oh, -3.
I think it's X is less than or equal to -3,
Or X is greater than 5.
or X is greater than 5. What kind of circle am I going to put on the -3, Al?
Close circle.
And which way am I going to shade it?
To the left.
To the left. Very good. You can either shade in your number line and your arrow, guys, or you can put the up and over thing. I don't. Either one of those is fine. Al.
Since -3 is like a smaller number than 5, does it go first, or does it go first just because it's the first like part of the problem?
It goes first because that's where it would be on the number line.
So
Because it's
if they
smaller.
were switched, X would like,
Totally be
5.
wrong.
So it'd still be 3 first, but 3 would be on him. Like if you said, if you flip the equation, so you got
No,
X
really
is less
Greater-
than 5.
Greater than 5.
Yeah, over there.
It would still go over there. The numbers on the number line have to be in order.
Okay.
Okay? And then Cuban, open or close circle on the 5.
Open.
Going to the
Right.
exactly. And you're going to fill in your circle, guys, or you can do that little thingy up and over. Okay? Can you guys do that?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who can write it in
Oh.
set notation?
Oh, I can write it.
Set notation, not interval, but set notation. Henry, take a risk.
All X shows that X is less than or equal to -3, or X is greater than 5.
Nice.
Would be the U.
On fire today, Henry. Nice job. Is anybody smart enough to write it in interval notation?
Oh.
This is an or. This is tough. Meredith, how do we write it in interval notation? Bracket. Very good. Union.
I didn't do this.
You didn't do what, Henry?
I didn't do the U.
Oh, yeah. All or ones are going to be you now. And are not you. Just ors. And the U stands for what word?
Union.
Everybody say it.
Unionize.
Because basically, guys, we want the union of these two things.
Wait, so in all or problems, it's gonna be
A U.
2 points and then U in the middle?
Correct.
That's kind of easy then.
It's not too bad. Special cases might throw a little wrench into there, Al, but for the most part, it's yes.
What if they threw a hammer in there?
Well, we are gonna. Nico. Nico, question
We use a note card on the test.
for.
Writing stuff down. Like,
Oh, I think meant for like a straight edge one. No, you gotta know everything.
Like,
Good question. We gotta know everything. Briggs,
I think it's fine that we learn union.
good connection there.
What
I'll
did
tell
you
this
say?
situation. You get an A for the day.
yeah.
So why is there a bracket on the -3 again?
Excellent question. Why? Somebody explain to why is there a bracket on the
When it's
-3?
or
Oh,
equals.
okay.
Because it equals
another
-3.
one.
It doesn't equal 5. It's just greater than it, so we show that by a parenthesis. Great questions. All right, do the second one on your own. Go. Melissa, is the second one an and or an or? How do you know? Because it says it. Sometimes the ands are written compoundly, like that next one, but this one, we know it's an and. Flippy or no flippy?
Flippy.
Flippy.
Flippy. Flip, flip.
Olson, this might address your concern for that last problem, because the smaller numbers after them. But we can still do this. Okay?
Can you
How-
switch them around and
Can I
put
do
the 2 on the right?
That's what they did last period. That made sense. They wrote you can go x is greater than -3 and x is less than or equal to 2. But you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. Just leave it the green or the blue. Okay? Olson, explain to me how you would graph it.
Put 2 hash marks and then -3 go first and then 2 is the second.
Talk to me about circles and shading.
Okay, and then for the -3 you do close circle
Why closed?
because there's a line under it. Oh.
There's not.
Yeah, there is.
X is greater than -3.
Yeah, I was looking at the
So what kind of circle?
alright, open
Open.
and you shade it in the middle.
What about the 2 though? What kind of circle?
Closed.
That one's a closed circle. And then guys, put your thumbs up in the air. How do and ones usually go? And. In the middle. We're going to shade it. Okay? Now, here's what I want everybody to do. This is tricky. Try to write it compoundly. That is where you put the X in the middle and the numbers on the sides. And watch, let's do this together. X
Do we
goes
have
in
to
the
do
middle. We have to do this.
In a test?
Yes. Here's why. Because there's something we're going to do down the road. There's something we're going to do later that you have to write them this way. So, put your variable in the middle. All right, let's hear it. Go
Oh,
ahead.
I got it right.
It's all x such that 2 is less than x.
No.
Son of
The
a-
smallest number has to go first.
I got it.
-3 is less than x, which is greater than 2.
Guys,
Or-
put
or
the X
equal
in the
to.
middle. Put the smaller number to the left of it and the bigger number to the right. And then they always point left. And then the X in the -3 had a less than sign, not a line underneath it, where the other one had the line underneath it.
How do you know it always points to the left?
And then I like how Henry said all X such that. Hold on, hold on. Everybody get that written down.
It always
We need
points
to
to the left.
Always, when you write them, we call it compoundly. They always point to the left because here's what it means. The X is in between
Oh yeah.
-3 and 2, just like the graph is.
Well, I'll be darned.
Okay? We got a comedian in the class, people. His name is Kevin McNulty.
I'll be here all week.
Try the pork.
Try the what?
You don't even get it.
All right. Who can write it interval notation? Everybody try to write this interval notation. Albano, give it a shot.
Double down. Parentheses, -3, comma, 2 brackets.
Done.
Yeah.
Oh, bracket?
Because the 2 is included. Okay?
That's it for ands.
That's a lot.
Ands is always just 2 points.
Well, all of them are just 2 points, but
That's the union.
But the
for
union-
like ands, it's just 2 points.
and it's the stuff in the middle. So that's why we put the X in the middle, because it's in the middle.
And if so there's no infinity for ands.
No. Could be.
Oh.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe I'm trying to think of special cases. There might
Wait, so does the bracket always go on the right? Because
no. The bracket always goes with the number if there's a line underneath it, Al.
well,
All right. Did we get 5 done yesterday?
We got the
Yeah, we
first
did.
5.
The first 5. Thank you.
There's 2 5s.
All right. The second 5. This one's really pretty easy. Did we talk yesterday about the word inclusively? What that means?
Included.
Sort of.
The word
Included.
included. So that means these prices are included in the price of the books. So what variable, guys, should we use for price?
B.
P. Everybody put a
P.
P.
Let's use
Anybody have 2P?
I do.
Okay. All right.
I
You
got
get
2
Now.
P and 2 poo.
Let's try to write that compoundly. Everybody put the smaller number to the left and the bigger number to the right. And what inequality signs would make that true? Where P, the
Oh.
price, is in between 3.5 and 6.
Oh, they're always-
Inclusively, so it's got to include them.
Okay.
Oh.
Go ahead, Cuban.
350 is less than or equal to P, and less than or equal to 6.
Perfect, Al. Nice job.
All you gotta do is
350.
put the lines going that way.
Say again.
All you gotta do is put the arrows going that way.
Right.
You
Did you know that there were lines underneath them, though?
Yeah.
Because it included them?
It includes.
Do the quick graph, guys. 350, 6.
This is an and, right?
That's my next question.
Yeah, because they both go to the left.
There's an and.
They
in
both
the-
go to the left.
it
So you must-
says
There's even an and in the problem. I don't know if that's always going to be
We
true.
underlined that yesterday.
They both go to the left too. So we know.
Definitely one of those. All right. Did we do any of the writing ones yesterday? Did we get through?
We did.
We did 2?
We did.
Okay, let's do 2 more of these. These are pretty simple once you catch on to them.
Whoa.
Yeah, those are super easy.
Like super duper.
All right, let's do 2 more.
Racers.
Chupinski, you want an and or an or first? And. Okay. Open or close circles? Open circles, closed circles, or one of each? I can't hear you. 2 open. Everybody put 2 open circles.
Bold move.
Okay. Since it's an and, how are we going to shade it, Natalie? In the middle. Everybody shade the middle.
Ooh.
And then give me 2 numbers that you make them up off the top of your head now. 6 and 8.
Oh.
6
Living
and
life.
8 the same one?
Living life on the edge.
Living like
go.
Larry.
Living like Larry. Living life on the edge. All right, so 6 and 8. Everybody write it compoundly. Now, try it. Choose any variable you want.
Put X in the middle.
Put X in the middle. Put your inequality signs correct. The open circles.
Is
You
it
get 6 and 8.
inclusively? Oh, no, there.
Who's got it? Who can read it from left to right?
I think I got it.
So no.
6 is less than X, less than.
Yeah, because they don't have circles.
Yeah, sure.
Boom.
So they're-
6 is less than X, which is less than 8.
They were filled in when you put lines under them.
Correct.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's do an or one over here. Okay. How about Miss Madeline?
Now,
Give me-
which numbers?
Madeline, pick the 2 numbers. Give me one, at least one negative. Don't be intimidated by the boys around you. I know they're
Yes,
scared.
3.
They're scared of me. Which one? -2 and 3.
Oh. Oh my
What's the new
god.
word from the other one?
What's
oh,
that?
wait. The 3.
-2 and 3. And I want one of them. Let's do one of each. Give one filled in circle and one open circle. Which way you want to go, Madeline?
Negative
Like,
2
do
filled
it.
I don't know if I can take this.
Right
I'm
or
gonna take the
left.
suspense.
Right or
Yeah.
What'd
left.
you say?
2 for 2.
Oh.
Fill in your -2.
Oh.
Open circle on the 3.
Natalie,
And-
you're doing it
Everybody put your thumbs pointing out to the
No,
this
she
way.
did.
In
Oh.
all
Let's
my
shade-
years of algebra, I don't think I've ever seen anything like it.
No, she did. Oh.
All your like 5 years, Kevin.
Hey, everybody try to write. You cannot write or ones. This is an or one. You cannot write them compoundly. So you can write this, 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 or this, this, this. Go.
Okay.
Thinking.
That's good.
I've got these.
Can I do it? Can I do it, Mr.
I got it.
Spencer?
I got it.
No, Mr. Spencer, he did it
I
on
haven't gone hard.
No.
You're
Something like
I'm raising my
times.
hand politely.
No, Mr. Smith.
Quinlivan, you got it?
No.
You should vote.
X is less than or equal to -2, or X is greater than 3.
Done.
That was confusing.
Oh,
Why
yeah.
is it that
X
way?
is less than or equal to -2, or X is greater than 3.
And those need
I
your
read it.
things first.
Oh, wait.
Oh, because the arrows represent what the arrows.
Right. That's a good way to think about it. The arrows point in the direction of the inequality signs.
Does that always happen?
Yes. Okay. Tomorrow we're going to hit the special cases. We're okay with this. We got a little worksheet today.
Alright,
Okay.
alright.
Yeah.
Everybody say good. Everybody say bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.